What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So we got some news a couple of days ago from Google, and they've announced and just confirmed the Google Pixel 6. And the leaks are correct. From their new design, the new in-house chip. So they will be releasing two new phones this year. So the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, after a year without releasing a flagship phone, Google is coming up with a bang this year, and it looks pretty good. So let's start with the design. So this was leaked already for months, and I'm going to say that this is their best design yet for a Pixel phone. So it's almost like bezel-less display with the camera cutout in the middle, and they have this new rectangular camera backs, which remind me of the Nexus 6P. And the previous design of Pixel phones are like boring and sometimes like bad, like the Pixel 3 with the ugly notch. And right now the new look looks modern, like the current Android phones right now. And according to the reports, Pixel 6 Pro will come with a slightly curved screen. So it's kind of interesting. It's either good or bad news to others, because I know some other people don't like curved screen. But let's see how it goes once it releases. And the good thing as well is that the normal Pixel 6 is still a flat screen. So Google will be also introducing their own in-house chip, like what Apple does with their A-series chip on their iPhones and the M1 chips on their Macs. So they called it the Google Tensor. So the good news here also is that with Google creating their own chip, that they will be able to fully optimize their chip in performance and battery life. And according to Google, it will have more AI capabilities like in voice command, speech recognition, translation, and many more. It will also improve their computational photography more on their cameras, and we know that Google Pixel phones are the best camera phones. But this time, will they be able to defeat Apple dominance in videography? And let's find out once it released. And here is the specs for the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro that we know so far. Of course, it will be powered by Android 12, which is their biggest update since Android 5 Lollipop in terms of visual changes. There's a lot of theming changes as well and options with the Material U, and also some improvement on optimization. There's no time yet when it will be officially available, and most probably it's between September or October, because normally that's the time when Google releases new Pixel phones. But overall, with this announcement of Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, it's good to see that Google is taking the challenge and competing against the best phones. Before, it feels like Google is in loss and releasing some mediocre phones, and even just a mid-ranger last year with Pixel 5. But with this year, there's a big chance that Pixel can take the title again as the king of all Android phones. So that was it, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.